My viewers, this one another sad news again from inside Kaduna. On I know say inside Nigeria now, the northern states they very hot. And as I hear say bandits don't kill about 38 people for inside Madamai community. These people don't do them anything. No, these people don't even fear. They just kill them people just like that for no better reason. My people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
I'm telling you, Baba. I'm telling you, Baba.
Nobody can control the situation.
Hi, make their soul rest in peace. The way where these bandits now they kill lives, I know they even understand. On a better stand up for ourselves, people of this Kaduna state, on a better stand up. Fight for ourselves because as it be like say government no send on. They no carry on a matter for head at all. So it go their best making ourselves stand up on ourselves, go they fight these people. And if you now watch this burial work, on I will not say people where they kill now mostly Christians. Because all of us know say for Muslims they know they use coffin. So it means say these people they target Christians. So why be say on our way be Christian? Why no go just pack on ourselves come up from there? It means say these people don't want an for their place. Be an Muslim community and be this place. Make an pack and ourselves go somewhere like Jos and not say that side at least Christians plenty there. Because these people they don't want to accept on now what make they kill on. But anyway, I don't talk, I don't give her the final decision. Making a pack and herself come off from there or making her go by her own arm. If they come, making her face them battle for battle because now the only way I be down for this solution. Because if like say this northern state, they don't complain, tire, sue this one, ban this one, do all that one, but still no changes. So making her just packing herself come off from there, and my best advice now be this one for now. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go take break on this matter. Making her stay tuned for our next story. I hear said they just arrest one Nollywood actor for inside India. Say this guy they carry drug in they deal in drug trafficking and person where they do this one in name na actor Malvin. And I remember one Indian film Shingam. I been able to they call him Shingam too. This guy they inside. And for that film where even accept na drug trafficking work na he do. Na so in the small good thing. I no call no be the spirit go enter in body spiritually. In context na film in the act in constant to the traffic drugs. My viewers I beg, make na join me watch.
కేసులో భాగంగా బెంగళూరు పోలీసులు అదుపులోకి తీసుకున్నారు. 8 లక్షల విలువ చేసే మత్తు పదార్థాలను పోలీసులు స్వాధీనం చేసుకున్నారు. లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో సినిమా అవకాశాలు రాకపోవడంతో డ్రగ్స్ విక్రయిస్తున్నాడు. ఆఫ్రికా నుంచి డ్రగ్స్ ను అక్రమంగా విక్రయిస్తున్నాడు. ట్రాఫికింగ్ మాల్విన్ కు ఎవరెవరితో సంబంధాలున్నాయి? ఎన్నేళ్ల నుంచి డ్రగ్స్ విక్రయిస్తున్నాడు?
Nigerians, una go travel abroad, una no go use in our sense. This one travel go there talk say na medical visa say no well do him come the main country himself. I don't know the kind of sickness where they worry you. Where be say since why you don't go there for 2011 you no agree you. I beg which way now una dey even go dey spoil our name. Artists they talk say if you travel abroad, come on clean our work if you go make money. Why be say you no come manage with that one? You can't decide say no. You won't make fast money, you won't do everything back. You can't decide go they run inside. But Indian people are beg. This one that they carry and say him be Nigeria. In fact, we don't need them. We don't even go claim him. Because all the film where this guy don't act now Indian film now Bollywood actor. So I no can see why now we be saying don't commit and I can't they shift out to Nigeria saying him be Nigeria. I beg which Nigerian film in don't act because we don't know. Now only Indian film now I mention say the guy they act. So I suppose face some okay this one now on a person, but the matter be we don't know we no send them. So anything one I want do to them, make her do it to one. Because I don't see why person go get the mental a grown-up man like this. You know go reason your life. Say, okay, are they here to struggle? Even though I come in and say, okay, are they sick? I don't define work do. Do legit work, you know reason that one. Now smuggling of things from Nigeria and anywhere. When they can't say you go say anyway, whatever you see now you go get. If they won't kill you, that one is your personal problem. Because nobody send you to go commit this kind of crime. Anyway, my viewers, now here I go drop am on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.